guys, we thought we'd just come on and do a quick video. We are at the Harrisburg Comic Con and Pop, I think it's called. And this is our first Comic Con. And Kristina's joining me, so we're having fun. People are asking us about our boots and, of course, asking to take pictures with us, so it's been fun. And we're here to support...
We're here to support Ryan and his new comic book. He is over there networking. He's doing a good job. Well, he's doing a decent job. He's okay. He's very into character, so that's pretty much what's going on. We're having a great time. It's a really great turnout. It's very cool. And yeah, buy Ryan's comic book.
So we'll talk to you guys later. Please remember we're Leviticus Fashions. We give a portion of our proceeds to help women and children get out of human trafficking.
The Justice Project.
And see you later.
See you out. Ramble, 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 ramble.